In this video, I'm going to be replacing our 19-year-old, well, maybe even older than that, Hunter ceiling fan with a new Honeywell ceiling fan. I'm going to take a quick look. I think the first thing I want to do is take down all of the glassware, because when I go to take it out, especially with one hand, I can drop things. It happens, sometimes. So I want to make sure whatever I drop doesn't break. All right, I'm up here. I'm ready to go. First thing I noticed is how dirty this fan is. Okay, don't judge me. It's a well-known fact. One-handed people cannot dust. I don't know if you knew that or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these off one by one. First the light. There we go. And I'm just going to take a quick... I threw it on the couch, so I'm good. And now, take these off. Let's take a look. I always put things in my mouth, by the way. Whoa, look at that catch. Look at that catch. It's almost like it was made to fit this. Okay, right now, what I'm going to do next is take down the individual fans. This is going to be fun. This should be very entertaining. Let's see if these things hit me in the head or what happens. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I don't know if it's a little bit. And used the drill, or the power screwdriver. Here we go. This is where it's going to be fun. I'm going to use my head. Literally, I'm using my head. Look at that. Perfect. Try to mess up my hair, but what are you going to do? Anyway, that's how I'm going to do it. Let's time lapse this part too. So after taking the fan blades off using my head, now it's time to take off the motor. I had to get another ladder to do that because I got to be able to see in there. And hey, listen, using my head the way I did, as a one-handed person, I got to do whatever I can to make these things work. That's why I encourage everyone. Just try to whatever you can. Just give it a shot. No harm, no foul. If this thing would have fell and broke, I would just have to sweep up. Who cares? Here's a big oh by the way, there's no power going to this. I have the switch off, got the cat going, and made sure that the breaker was off, so no power going to this. I should have said that from the beginning. So let's take this guy off. There's 4 screws here, and that's what the back of my head looks like, in case you were curious. I'm going to hold it like with my arm like this, very similar to how I did it in the LED video for when I did the light in the garage. Let's take a look. Okay. There's these two. So far so good. Nothing's falling yet. Oh, now it is a little bit. Okay, but I have my arm there, so should be good. Let me take this particular screw off. And what this one's going to do is loosen the base. And then this one will take the whole base down. May have to take them both out completely. We'll see. This thing's been up here, like I said, over 20 years, so I have no idea. I didn't do it. Probably some crazy two-handed person put it up. They've been known to do ceiling fans, from what I hear. I don't know. I don't know if they have the talent. All right, so let's take a look. Almost done with this one. Come on. Most exciting part of the video, I'm sure. And there we are. But you know what? While I'm at here, I'm going to have to just take these wire nuts off right now. I can't mess with this. And I'm probably, at this point, going to have to maybe even tear out the ground because I'm just in no position to... oh no, I'm not going to have to. I'm going to say I was in no position to do anything else, get more tools or anything. So that's it. Look at that. Success. And look at the dirt. Look at the screws falling off. Old fan, but we got it down. Let's put the other one up. Okay, what I did a second ago is I just took down the old bracket. I mean, it would have been an exciting video to include here, but I thought, let's not do that. So now I have the new bracket to install, so I'll do that right now. This one just slides on where the old one's mounted, which is very convenient. Just kind of hold it up there. It gets kind of tricky doing these things sometimes, but again, we can all do these things. Just got to give it a shot. All right. See how good I can do this. Look at that. Come on. Single-handedly. No problem at all. Let's start this one now. Can't see what I'm doing. There's a time out. Time in. I had to find it. Didn't take that long, but now I'm not going to be cute for the camera. I'm going to take a look so I can see what I'm doing here. I was trying to be cute and do it without looking. Now I can see it. Now let's run this thing up. All right, perfect. Okay, now according to the instructions, and I did read the instructions, it's Saturday, so I thought, well, I'll read the instructions. I've got to fit the this wire through this piece right here, and then through here, take that clip out, clip goes here, do the set screws. Let me have a screwdriver so I'm ready. All right, let's take a look here. I think the best way for me to do that is to undo these wires, so I'm going to do that. Let's hope I'm right. Maybe I'm wrong, who knows? But I think I'm right. Let's see. Again, that's just the easiest way for me to do it. So, let's feed these through. Let's do it. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Boom. Yeah. Alright. There's that. And then it looks like this one's going to have to also go through. Makes complete sense. You know, now that I look at it, I didn't look at it too close. Made the mistake of reading the actual instructions. Well, I'll clean that up when I go back on the ladder. I don't have to do that right now. I'll clean it off camera probably. Clean it up off camera. Perfect. Let me get the white a little bit more. Okay, so everything's there. This will fit this way. Now it's time for the other part. And it's going to hang this way. So let me take the clip out and the pin and kind of do the same thing. Let's run everything through there. Let's see. Get the wires kind of even. That'll help. There we go. Yep, they're going through. So let's take a look here. Got them. Hold them against my leg. Hold them in my elbow. That's how I do things. Now let's get this guy. You know what? I'll take a quick look at this. Let's see. Yeah, this is meant to be a backup in case I believe in case the whole thing falls. It'll still be held by something other than just these little electrical wires. Just meant to be a safety feature. That actually at this point, I'm putting it through here, not knowing if necessarily that's where it needs to go, but we'll see. And let me get this little screwdriver. So if it doesn't go through there, I'll figure that out off camera and I'll take it out at another time so you don't have to watch. Pull the white one a little bit more. Yeah, blue one a little bit more. And there we go. So this will go up. Maybe I should have even put it that way before. Now I get to put that pin in. Pull this a little harder, get it a little tighter. Should give me some room. This is a very tight fit here, so that's why I had to loosen those screws up a little bit more. But let's put the safety pin in now. It's always tough to see this stuff. Yeah, I guess I gotta feed a cat, don't I? Okay, got that in. And I'll just tighten those up off camera, but you got the gist of what I was trying to do.